Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram Reels not scrolling. If you're using Instagram and you're facing the issue that your Reels not scrolling on Instagram, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you can try to update your app because sometimes it might be that if you have any pending software update or pending app update, so you might get these type errors. So the very first thing, go to settings, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. Then go back and open your app store or the Play Store. Here, just search for Instagram, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, your issue will be fixed. Or if you still not fix your issue, so you can try to offload your app and then reinstall that, because sometimes it might be that there will be any bug or any malware with your Instagram app. It can be easily fixed by this step. Just go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. Here just look for Instagram app, and you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app. So in case of offloading or deleting, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware with your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this app, so you will not get the issue again. So after reinstallation, before you retry, I recommend you have to try to make a force restart to iPhone to fix minor software glitches. Now to do this, quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry, and now this time you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.